from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today we're going to go over a beginner's balance routine. I get a lot of emails asking how I develop the balance to develop the coordination with my kicks, and I'm going to work my way through some of the beginning foundation poses and exercises that I used to do from a child that developed the balance within my kicks. If you've never done any balance work before, maybe make sure there's a stool or a chair nearby. In case you are to fall, you can just hold on, just to tap the wall or the surface to enable you to remain in the posture. We're going to work all of these exercises on both legs. So starting with one leg, bring it up, hold for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Switch legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. Okay, we're going to do that around 4 times on each leg. Next one we're going to do is to take the leg in a big circle, nice and slow and controlled. So we're going to come up, through the front, wide, and then down. And the opposite leg, up, round, and down. Nice and controlled. Let's go, 4 on each side. Okay, next drill we're going to do, standing on that one leg, opposite leg, we're going to do a front kick, super low, side kick, followed by back kick. Okay, and without putting the foot down, continue on. So we're hoping to do 4 without placing your foot down to the floor. If you need to, you can go here, side, back, touch. Okay, but the aim is to build it up so you can do the 4 without placing your foot down. Let's go. Last one. Perfect, guys, well done. Okay, the next one we're going to do is kick out a front kick, forward, nice and low. You're going to chamber, place the foot onto the side of the supporting leg, and use the supporting leg to really turn your leg out as much as you can in that knee chamber. Okay, and back down here. So we're going to switch legs. Front kick out, place the foot on the side of your leg, and then out as wide as you can. So really use it to take your knee out, really opening through the hips. Back, down. We're going to do 4 of these on each side. Let's go. Moving on, we're going to do some knee chamber work. So we're going to go into front kick, side kick, okay? Forgetting the full kick for now, just the knee work. So we're going to bring that front kick, knee chamber up, and then change for a side kick. So see how my body's slightly leaning to one side, and my knees chambered, ready to attack, okay? And we're going to do 4 of those on each side also. Nice and slow and controlled. So from here, knee chamber up for that front kick, switch for the side. Good. And the opposite leg. Perfect. 3 more on each side. Position. Knee chamber only again, but we've really got to get the hips over from the front kick to the round kick. So both knees are pointing forward. Let's have a look at this one. So we're going to bring that front kick knee chamber up, switch the hips over to here. Okay? Now I'm quite exaggerating the knee chamber for the round kick, but this is a really good drill to do. So you want to get your knee from here, vertical to horizontal, okay? In one swift throw over of the hips. So again, here, vertical, horizontal. Okay? So let's aim to do 4 of those on each side. We want to hold the knee chamber for 2, hold for 2. For the initial throw, you can do as fast as you wish. You don't need to do it fast straight away. So you can do the whole thing nice and slow. Here, slow, and then down. Entirely up to you. Ready? 4 on each side. With the extension of the legs also. We're going to take the height right down so we can just focus on the technique. So from here, we're going to extend, extend. Okay? Just really working the balance. So extend, extend. Okay? We're going to do 4 of those on each side. Let's go. Perfect, guys. So the last drill we're going to do for today is front kick into round kick. So I'll just show you nice and slow from here. Front kick out, get that hip over, round kick. Okay? And aim just to hold each kick for around 1-2 seconds. Let's go, 4 on each side. Starting off balancing, always focus on a static point, something that's not moving, something that's fixed, and you can really focus on that object. Other than that, guys, feel free to do however many sets of these you wish. I'm just giving you 4 to do, just as an example for today's workout, but take it away, practice it, drill them, repetition is key. Any questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, take care guys and keep kicking.